I'm going to show you how to make an imaginary snowflake with markers. Starting with a square piece of paper, I'm going to start with a gray marker. So I want to make a dot somewhere near the center of my paper. Okay. Now I make a straight line through that. So I almost got through it. Now I need to make an X through this line. So this is the beginning of my snowflake. Snowflakes have 6 points. I'm gonna start by making some arrow shapes coming off the middle. So whatever I do there, I have to do in the other 5. So made a little like star shape.
I'm gonna put some squarish rectangles on the ends of my lines. Maybe I'll make them like this, like a little bit funky shaped.
In each of these rectangles, I'm gonna put a circle for a face.
And I'm gonna put different types of faces in each of these. So I could start off with smiley face, then do sad face. I could do a bored face. I could do goofy face. I could do a singing face, and maybe an angry face. So I got some faces. It's one idea. Let's see. I want to add more stuff. I'm gonna make an upside down triangle below this. So then I'm gonna do that below each of them. And I'm getting bored with the gray. I want to add another color to this. Add blue. I'm gonna build off this, make it go out more. So whatever I do, I just repeat that.
I'm gonna put a triangle inside these triangles. I'm gonna add some arrows coming off these. And I have to do that to each one.
So as you can see, you can just keep going more and more shapes. I like the arrows. Maybe I'll make an arrow off the top. And then I'm gonna do triangles coming out the sides of this. There's so much blue. I think I'll bring some purple in. I'm gonna use cool colors because snowflakes are cool, right? They're not warm, they're cool. I think I'm gonna put some rectangles in here to connect these. Or just 2 lines. Maybe I could make this circle purple. And then I'll connect these.
So you can see it's getting more and more funky, but the basic idea is I'm going to start with a square, put a dot somewhere near the middle, do a line through that, and then an X through that. And that's your baby snowflake. I'm going to I'm going to make a new one, put diamonds off these. put a straight line. So So just, this is like the baby. I'm gonna put rectangle under that. So then I have to do it over and over 6 times.
I'm gonna put an even bigger diamond coming out of this diamond. I'm gonna turn my paper. I find that helps if I actually turn the paper.
I'm gonna put a oval on top, sitting on top of the diamond. I'm gonna lay some triangles next to these. One's going up, one's pointed down. One's pointing up, one's pointing down.
One's going up, one's pointing down. So I'm just having fun with this. I don't know what I'm doing. So now I want to start adding some other colors like blue. Let's see what happens if I add green. Put some green lines inside this. I'm gonna do some squiggly lines. I'm gonna make this one crisscross. And I'm gonna put dots inside this one. And I'm gonna put lightning zigzags inside this one. And what else could I do? I'll put spirals inside this one. And then I think I'm gonna add triangles in here.
So I've made an imaginary snowflake. Now I want to add some background to it.
So that background is starting to look pretty cool. I've just been adding little mini 6-pointed snowflakes, but I'm gonna try going in and lightly using the side of my colored pencil. I'm gonna press lightly and see if I can do a light blue sky, but still let the little tiny snowflakes I made show through. We'll see if it works.
There were some bumps on the table I was drawing on, so I got a drawing board. You just need any flat surface to color in because I don't want bumps to show up when I'm coloring in. That worked well. I was able to put in a light blue sky, but my snowflakes still kind of show up that I drew at first. So the key here was using a light blue pencil to make it look like daytime. If I used regular blue, it would start to look more like nighttime. And there's some nice difference between the background and the snowflake. One of the reasons things contrast is that the snowflake is dark colored, the background is light colored. Also, I used marker for the snowflake and colored pencil for the background. So if you have these tools, it can be nice to use them together, marker and colored pencil. I've decided I want to add even more light blue to make the snowflake pop out even more. So I'm going to spend some more time coloring in.